I had a lecture at KAMA, Korean American Medical Association Scientific Convention in Seoul. It's a great honor to talk in Hugeun Memorial Oncology section. As mentioned, he served as the president of KAMA in 2006. First of all, congratulations on the successful 50th KAMA Anniversary Scientific Convention in Seoul. When I was first invited to talk at this meeting, I remember a forum in LA 5 years ago. Korea-US Collaboratory Healthcare Forum 2019 was hosted by KHIDI, 한국보건산업진흥원. It was a friendly meeting, but the presentations and discussions were very hot. The motto of that meeting was Advancement and Disparities in Gastric Cancer. The forum was YouTube live streamed and it is still available. After the forum, we had a nice dinner at 북창동 순두부. Anyway, I think we need more collaborations like 2019 forum in the near future. KGCA, Korean Gastric Cancer Association, is a leading multidisciplinary academic society on gastric cancer, and JGC, Journal of Gastric Cancer, is the official journal of KGCA with recent impact factor 3.2. A few weeks ago, our international conference KINCA Week 2024 was held at downtown Seoul. A total of 425 abstracts from 24 countries have been submitted to the KINCA 2024. Among them, 365 topics have been presented, including 85 oral presentations. This is the gala dinner after the KINCA 2024. Next KINCA is scheduled in September 25 next year at the same venue, Lotte Hotel, Seoul. I hope to see you again. The proportion of endoscopic treatment for gastric cancer is increasing. In the 2019 National Audit for Gastric Cancer, surgical resection was done in 60% and endoscopic resection was done in 40%. This is another statistics. In the recent issue of Journal of Gastric Cancer, a national statistics of ESD was reported. In Korea, the endoscopic treatment of gastric cancer started around year 2000, but the data in this report covered only recent 10 years because reimbursement by the National Health Insurance started in 2021. As you can see, the number of ESD increased consistently and reached 11,000 in 2021. The most prevalent age group was 60s, followed by 70s and 50s. The volume of ESD in the very elderly population is rapidly increasing. Regarding the indications, the expanded indications cases were about 88%. The median length of hospital stay was 4 days. Total medical cost was only 212만 원, which is $1,500. Can you believe it? In addition, don't forget that the cancer patient usually pay only 5% of the covered medical cost in Korea. It is a very unique system, but is it really sustainable? Oh, I don't know, maybe not. Next topic is indications. In the current practice guideline by the KGCA, statement number 5 is about expanded indications. Both ESD as well as surgery can be indicated for expanded indication lesions. This is the expanded indications. Both surgery and ESD can be done. Statement number 6 is about undifferentiated type early gastric cancer. It says ESD could be done, but cautiously and after sufficient discussion. The evidence level was low and the recommendation was conditional for. Currently, a prospective clinical trial about ESD for undifferentiated type early gastric cancer, EGC trial, is ongoing in Korea. This is the current status of patient enrollment of the ERASE trial. The target is 708 patients, and more than 600 were enrolled right now. Outcome of endoscopic treatment of EGC with differentiated type histology is well established. We at SMC have done multiple analysis. This is a propensity score matching analysis between the two groups, endoscopic resection or surgery for differentiated type early gastric cancers. The overall survival was almost the same in the two groups. Because of the metachronous recurrences, disease-free survival and recurrence-free survival is better in the surgery group. However, there was no difference in the disease-specific survival. Next evidence is the PP analysis. It's a single-arm long-term follow-up data for curatively resected differentiated type early gastric cancers. Excluding metachronous recurrences, we experienced only one case of local recurrence and 2 cases of extragastric recurrences. After curative resection, the overall survival is excellent. In our early experience, there was no statistical difference between absolute indication and expanded indication cases. My final short comment is about training. ESD is a rather complex endoscopic procedure, so training is so important. We are using a few models for ESD training, and this is endogel ESD. After a few endogel ESD training, you can do lipid ESD and then real patient ESD. Final calling. For the foreign doctors, 1-week ESD training course is also available at my institution. It consists of introductory lectures, ESD observation, ESD conference, ESD planning session, pathology conference, hands-on training using endogel or live pig. You can get more information about gastric cancer and ESD at my internet site EndoTODAY.com and YouTube site EndoTODAY 위내시경 연구소. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to conclude my talk by saying that members of KGCA have been working together to improve the patient care and clinical research for gastric cancer patients. Less invasive treatment such as laparoscopic surgery and ESD is actively performed in Korea. At least one-third of gastric cancer patients are treated by endoscopy now. Thank you for your attention.